नमस्कार मित्रांनो, योगीराज क्रिएशन या चॅनलमध्ये मी आपले मनापासून स्वागत करतो. आपण जर या चॅनलला प्रथमच भेट देत असाल तर बेल आयकॉनला टच करा, या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि ऑल सिलेक्ट करा. तर आज आपण पाहणार आहोत 4.3 गोल्डन चेन या कवितेचे प्रश्नांची उत्तरे. इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ युअर क्लोजेस्ट ट्रू फ्रेंड vertically and prepare acrobatic using every letter in the name. Refer to word play on page 73. तुमच्या जवळच्या खऱ्या मित्राचं नाव लिहा आणि त्याच्या प्रत्येक अक्षरापासून सुरू होणारे ॲक्रोबॅटिक तयार करा. या ठिकाणी आपण सचिन हे नाव घेतलेलं आहे. एस सुपर, ए अटेन्शन, सी क्यूट, एच हंबल, I important आणि N noteworthy. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. टिक द करेक्ट बिफोर द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. योग्य त्या विधानासमोर बरोबरची खून करा. ए. टाइम कॅन डिस्ट्रॉय द ब्युटी ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. रॉंग. बी. फ्रेंडशिप कॅनॉट बी बॉट ऑर सोल्ड. करेक्ट. सी. फ्रेंडशिप बाइंड्स द हँड्स टुगेदर. रॉंग. डी. Friendship is like a real rare and precious jewels. Correct. E. Friendship has more value than gold. Correct. Question number 3. Read the poem and complete the web. Friendship is compared to. Friendship ची तुलना कशासोबत केलेली आहे? Friendship is compared to golden chain. Friendship is compared to beauty. Friendship is compared to priceless gift. Friendship is compared to precious jewels. Friendship is compared to strong blessed tie. Friendship is compared to worth far more than gold. Question 4. Say why friendship is compared to the following. खालील गोष्टींची तुलना मैत्रीसोबत का केलेली आहे ते सांगा. आन्सर. ए. गोल्डन चेन. आन्सर. बिकॉज लाईक गोल्डन चेन फ्रेंड्स लिंक टुगेदर इन फ्रेंडशिप. बी. प्रेशियस ज्वेल. आन्सर. बिकॉज ज्वेल इज वन ऑफ द व्हॅल्युएबल थिंग्स अँड इट्स व्हॅल्यू इन्क्रीजेस इयर बाय इयर लाईक फ्रेंडशिप्स. सी. अ प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट. प्राइसलेस गिफ्टची तुलना फ्रेंडशिपसोबत का केलेली आहे? आन्सर. बिकॉज फ्रेंडशिप कांट बी बॉट ऑर सोल्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. रेफर टू द पोयम अँड राईट डाऊन 5 रिझन्स व्हाय फ्रेंडशिप इज द बेस्ट गिफ्ट एनीवन कॅन गिव्ह यू. कवितेचा संदर्भ घेऊन 5 कारणं लिहा की तुम्हाला इतर कोणी दिलेल्या बक्षिसापेक्षा मैत्री हे सर्वात चांगले बक्षीस आहे. आन्सर. इट ग्रोज मोर प्रेशियस ॲज इच इयर पासेस. 2. इट इज रिच विथ हॅपी मेमरीज अँड फॉन्ड रिकलेक्शन्स. 3. इट इज क्लॅस्प टुगेदर फर्मली. 4. इट कांट बी बॉट ऑर सोल्ड. 5. Time can't destroy its beauty. Question number 6. Write the words that go with the following. खालील गोष्टींची संबंधित शब्द लिहा. 1. Jewel, precious jewel. 2. Hearts, kindred hearts. 3. Memories, happy memories. 4. Gift, priceless gift. 5. Tie, blessed tie. 6. Friend, understanding friend. Question number 7. Match the lines with the figure of speech they contain. खालील ओळींचं मध्ये कोणता अलंकार आहे ते ओळखा. आन्सर. 1. फ्रेंडशिप इज अ गोल्डन चेन. याच्यामध्ये फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आहे मेटाफर. 2. that can't be bought or sold. Figure of speech, antithesis. 3. And like a rare and precious jewel, figure of speech, simile. 4. For as long as memory lives, figure of speech, alliteration. 5th. For friendship is a priceless gift, figure of speech, metaphor. Question number 8. Think on your own and say why true friendship can be compared to the following. तुमचे स्वतः विचार करा आणि सांगा की खऱ्या मैत्रीची तुलना खालील गोष्टींशी का केली आहे. फर्स्ट आन्सर नंबर 1, an evergreen forest. Friendship is an evergreen tree in the garden of life. Friendship is a relationship where we need no words to talk, no loud laughter to show our happiness, and no tears in our eyes to show our sadness. It understands everything without saying a single word. An evergreen tree always gives us shadow in all seasons. In the same way, our friendship directly us in all situations. The evergreen forest doesn't demand anything in return. People always praise evergreen forest, and such friendship is also praised by everyone. Next, number 2, an evergreen flowing river. An ever flowing river fills every hole and pit on its way of flowing. Friendship too covers all lacking in our life. Wherever the river flows, it makes the surrounding green and joyful. In the same way, whenever our friendship relates to our life, makes it evergreen and enjoyable. The ever flowing river doesn't stop anywhere. It overcomes all the obstacles and finds its way, makes the surrounding beautiful. On the other hand, true friendship never ends up. Even if obstacles and misunderstanding try to break it, the life of an ever-flowing river has no end. Also, true friendship has no end at all. Number 3, a rainbow after heavy rains. After heavy rains, we find a beautiful and colorful rainbow in the sky. Friendship is nothing but a colorful and beautiful rainbow in our life. Whenever we think about friends, it brings a smile to our face. That is the real strength of friendship. Heavy rains stand for nervousness or difficulties in our life. Friends like a rainbow bring color and make us happy. Question number 9. Think and develop a story that leads to the conclusion. A friend in need is a friend indeed. गरजेमध्ये उपयोगी पडणाराच खरा मित्र असतो या निष्कर्षापर्यंत पोहोचणारी एक कथा तयार करा. Answer. Manish and Harish were close friends. They shared their problems as well as pleasures. They were more like brothers than friends. Each had started their own business and had to travel a lot. Once they had to travel to a far away place. Their path them through a desert. In those days, there were no buses and railways. People often traveled on foot. The two friends passed the time by songs and telling each other jokes and riddles. After some time, they came to the place where there was a patch of quicksand. Unknowingly, Harish stepped into it and sand slipped from under his feet. He began to sink in the sand. Manish pulled an thick rope out of his luggage and threw one end of it to Harish. Harish held the rope slowly, carefully, courageously. Manish pulled him out of the dangerous area. The friends embraced each other. Manish proves that a friend in need is a फ्रेंड इंडीड. धन्यवाद मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये एवढेच. तर भेटूया पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये.